In this video, we're going to review our program setup options in EZClaim. Once you've logged into your EZClaim program, you'll want to do some program setup as one of your first tasks. Program setup is available on the Tools ribbon bar. Click on Tools to show that ribbon. Accessing the full program setup screen requires admin level permissions. You will be prompted to create an admin password if you have not already done so. The Setup tab opens and you see your list of options on the left. We recommend clicking through and setting these options before you begin to enter patients or claims. Although I won't go over all options in this video, I do want to touch on a few of them as they have some important defaults. In the patient option, there are settings on patient account numbers, prefixes, and setting an automatic patient template. Claim has your defaults for initial claim status, place of service code, and checking for duplicate service lines. Printing claims has your printer alignment settings for paper claims. You can adjust up, down, left, right, and shift adjustments. And company is where you can enter your office or practice information that will appear on patient statements and reports. You can access the help topics for detailed information on all of the program options. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in other tutorials, please check out our tutorial playlist on YouTube.